People are cutting back everywhere on the very services that keep many small businesses in operation. Hair salons says their customers are spacing out their visits farther and farther apart. Non-essential spending is being cut. At SecureBizLoan.com is poised to help small business find an SBA loan that fits their situation and helps them weather these conditions. PR Web, October 15, 2009. SBA loans are keeping some small businesses alive. www.unsecurebizloan.com notes that though it's a difficult time for many small businesses, the country needs them the job they create to help fuel the recovery. How important are small businesses to the U.S. economy? According to SBA figures, small businesses employ just over half of all private sector employees. They have generated 64% of net new jobs over the past 15 years, including 40% of high-tech workers like scientists, engineers, and computer programmers. It's also an area of innovation. Small businesses produces 13 times more patents per employee than large patenting firms. Taking advantage of the SBA loans could help a small business survive the most serious economic downturn since the Depression. The SBA is different from other loans. The application is less focused on capital, available assets, and overall collateral, but the SBA still makes it well understood that when you get the loan that you will pay the loan back. However, you can do that in small payment over a long period of time. One common misunderstanding with SBA loans is that the SBA does not actually loan the funds. Instead, the SBA guarantees to lenders that they can lend the money with less risk. They guarantee up to 80% of the loan, reducing the risk of lenders. Brought to you by www.unsecuredbizloan.com.